time to head out for another adventure. So put your seatbelts on and let's take to the skies.
It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us. Writing stories that shape us.
There are other ways to get to the Dinagat Islands. You can also go through Butuan City or Siargao. But the easiest way is through Surigao City. From there, it's just a 1-hour ferry
We
ride.
got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Take a look now, we got everything we need to make our way out. We could follow the ocean, yeah, we could live in the moment.
It's mid-afternoon but there's no time to waste. Off we go to check out the inland attractions of the Dinagat Island.
And take with the dawn of a new day. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Born for adventure. Born for adventure. It's a good day. We got sunlight we can't chase. We could follow the ocean. We could live in the moment. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember.
We then took a while to take in the majestic sunset of the Dinagat Islands. After which, we had a feast with a locally cooked dinner at the peak.
We were born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Fire up the engine, the keys in my pocket are freezing cold.
Good morning! It's day 2 here in Dinagat Islands. That's right, kahapon nung dumating tayo, nakaikot pa tayo dito sa isla na puntahan natin yung shrine, no? Na may magandang kwento. Tapos maganda yung sunset. Tumuloy na rin kami dun sa may peak, no? Para mapanood talaga natin kung gaano ang maganda ang paglubog ng araw kahapon. As you saw, it was really magical. Today, however, we're gonna dedicate the whole time para mag-island hopping. I'm sure a lot of you are excited. I am just as excited as you are. So without further ado, let's do this! Come on!
Let the light shine. I've got so much left to do. Wide open skyline. I'm on the move. This is the start of something new. This is the start of something new. Lightning in bottles, painting tomorrow in evergreen. Drive for miles and miles, gonna follow the road that's in front of me.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa ating first stop, ang Miracle Pool Cave, no? Usually ito mga 1 hour lang by boat, but it took us 2 hours kasi medyo maalon ang panahon, no? Medyo challenging. But we're glad we're here kasi maganda raw dito, merong natural pools right just past this cave. So tara na, let's find out how beautiful this attraction is.
Good times, let the light shine. I've got so much left to do. Wide open skyline, I'm on the move. This is the start of something new. This is the start of something new. This is the start.
Grabe, ang ganda sa loob. Not too far away yung lakad. Konting lakad lang, doon na yung natural pool. I think mga 12 feet daw siya kalalim. Pero kung may life vest ka naman, you just be floating around. Malamig, fresco ang tubig. So, kung mainit, perfect stop para mag-freshen up. Worth going to. Kailangan nyo puntahan lugar na to. I think yung entrance na naman dito is 50 pesos. A small price to pay to enjoy the Miracle Pool Cave. So, tara. Let's go to our next stop. Our next stop, Dinagat Island's iconic Blue Lagoon. Naiintindihan ko na kung ba't maraming pumupunta dito at marami nakakaalam tungkol sa Blue Lagoon dahil napakaganda talaga. So, ang sarap pa mag-swim. Sobrang freshening. At the same time, pwede ka magbasa yung floating raft. They also even have a floating cottage behind me. So, and this is also a good spot to have lunch. No? You just have to buy your own ingredients and then you just cook here. So we're here at our next stop, Cabacongan Island or Cabacongan Cove. This is actually a very interesting island because apart from or different from the other islands, there are not a lot of people here. So if you're the type who want to be alone and undisturbed, this is the place to go. The island was actually called Cabacongan because there are a lot of bakong trees or plants around the area. That's how it got its name. Very interesting also about this island is that the rock formation, it's shaped like a band. That's why they call it Lalaking Bukid. No? So another interesting fact about this island. Let's go around.
It's the way that you take my hand, leaning closer to understand the me I hide, the fear inside. It's the way that you love my past, your secret in me even though I can't. There's nothing
So nandito na tayo sa ating next stop, yung Bitaog Beach. No? It's actually a small beach, pero sikat to dahil usually kalmado ang tubig dito, tapos ang tubig napakalinaw and medyo emerald green ang kulay. Sabi rin nila maganda yung sand dito, medyo fine. Unfortunately, at the time that we are shooting this vlog, medyo malakas ang alon, so we can't go down and risk it. But you can see, ang ganda naman talaga puntahan itong beach na.
It's the way that you steal close as I pretend I wish you never home. There's nothing like the way you look at me. Your love cuts right through my deepest emotions in a way.
Dito naman tayo sa Pagkawasan Garden, which is actually a beach area, no, similar to the ones we went to earlier. But here, you can rent cottages. You can even stay overnight. They have mga small lipa huts. So, pwede mag-overnight dito. Meron din swing. Pwede ka dito mag-sunbathing. Pwede ka mag-swimming. Ang ganda ng tubig. Emerald green ang kulay niya. Tapos yung sand dito, medyo fine din. So, it's a good place to go to. And it especially is attractive kasi malapit siya dun sa Dinagat Island mismo, sa San Jose na area. So it's very accessible if you just take a bangka from here. So halika, ikot natin. Ikutin natin para malaman natin kung gaano kaganda ang lugar.
May we hold time where we started. There's nothing
Our stay at the Dinagat Islands was short yet sweet. But before we go, it's time to buy some pasalubong.
sun's rising, don't let the light in. I breathe in this feeling, don't need to fight it. Down on my street, follow my feet, feel the sun on my skin. Bells ringing, birds singing, hello, good morning. Making up plans to
Okay, so that's it. That wraps up our quick weekend getaway here in Dinagat Island. Medyo mabilisan pero nakarami rin tayong mga lugar at mga atraksyon dito sa Dinagat Island. Una-una, nakaikot tayo inland on the first day. Nakapunta tayo sa mga kilala at mga narinig nating mga lugar dito sa Dinagat. Nagpapasalamat kami kay Ryan sa aming driver na umikot kami nung unang araw. Pangalawang araw naman ay nakapag-island hopping kami kahit masama yung panahon. Tuloy pa rin natin, syempre, para mapakita namin sa inyo ang ganda ng mga isla ng Dinagat. So, ganda, di ba? Ako, ang paborito ko yung Blue Lagoon. Pero lahat siya marami. At marami pang kaming hindi nakuhanan. Alam nyo ba, sa higit 7,100 islands sa Pilipinas, 40 doon, 40 ay nandito sa Dinagat Island. So definitely babalik kami. Speaking of island hopping, syempre gusto namin magpasalamat kay Rocker at saka kay Raji pa dahil sila ang nag-ikot sa amin sa mga isla. Maraming salamat. Kahit masama panahon kahapon, tinuloy pa rin natin ang ating biyahe. So yun, we hope you enjoyed watching the vlog as we did filming it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At kung meron kayong mga suggestion kung saan pa kami pwede pumunta, sulat nyo lang sa comment section below. Ayun. And of course, ang aming constant companion dito, si Dudes Almacen and si Cel Figueron ng Tour Siargao. Medyo umabot na sila dito from Siargao. No? Sinamahan nila kami. Maraming salamat. Sila rin ang tumulong na mag-organize yung buong itinerary namin. By the way, kung pupunta kayo ng Siargao, don't forget to contact Tour Siargao. We put their contact details in the comment sections below para makontak nyo sila. So, yun na. On behalf of Bobby, we'd like to again thank you. This is Herbie of NSTV Travel Vlog. See you at the next stop.